Yeah, boys. Rip the old Toyota grill. So today we are going to be putting one last partial section on my front portion of my wide body. So basically I have here these corner caps. As you can see, the wide body is 3.5 inches wider than stock. So when you get back to this stock piece here, you have this nice gap, right? Now let me just, hold on. I got a drill, an impact, and a piece of fiberglass all in my hand right now. Because I just like that, you know? So anyways, so there's the impact. Hold on, check this out. There's the drill. Here's the piece. So this is what we got. Essentially it sits there like that, as you can see. Pretty much perfect. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I think, is I'm gonna drill holes here in this side, 2 of them, and then bolt it that way into the other panel, and then maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna put one right down in here. We'll see how I'm feeling. So yeah, might set you guys up on the tripod, but it's kind of snowing, so I'm gonna drill these holes out on both pieces for both sides and then try to show. All right, boys and girls, ladies and lads, so we've got one side done. Because I have broken headlights right now and the brackets holding the headlights up and everything behind is all fucked up, that is kind of how it looks. It would be a perfect flush fit right here instead of having this gap, but this piece and the headlights, remember, are all zip tied together. So for now it's gonna be off a little, but it's fine. I'm pretty happy with how it looks, not gonna lie. If I had the completed stock bumper, obviously you'd see it all the way down, but I think my plan is gonna be to cut it flush with this, so it's like here, maybe across, cut this bottom section off so that I can in fact build my bumper straight across instead of following this up in here. Maybe I'll put lights up in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, because I'm gonna have a little gap in there, so I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's small enough that you won't notice it. I don't know, to be determined. But yeah, so there's side width. Here is side without, as you can see. That's what we got going on. But yeah, we're gonna cut, like I said, we'll cut it to get it perfect, but for now, well, boys, there it is, the finished product. For now, obviously some adjustments will be made. I plan on probably bondoing those edges to make it a perfect flush fit, and obviously cutting them down. But for now, this is gonna end the video, boys. Like, subscribe, comment, all that fucking bullshit. You heard? Yeah, son, I'm gonna get shot. Let's go.